Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of modern room dividers and partition design ideas. Whether you are looking to create more privacy in your open concept space, add a touch of style to your home, or simply redefine your living area, we have got you covered. From sliding panels and open shelving to artistic screens and living plants wall, we will explore a variety of innovative solutions that can transform your space into something truly special. So let's get started. Modern room dividers and partition designs offer innovative ways to enhance both the functionality and aesthetic of your living space. One popular option is sliding panels, which can be made from materials like wood, glass, or fabric. These panels provide the flexibility to create private areas when needed and open up the space when desired. Their sleek design can seamlessly integrate into various interior styles, making them a versatile choice for contemporary homes. Another effective solution is open shelving units. These can serve as both a room divider and a storage solutions, allowing you to display books, plants, and decorative items while defining different areas within a room. Open shelving maintains an airy feel as it allows light to pass through, creating a sense of openness while still providing visual separation. Curtain and drapes are also timeless options for room dividers. Hanging from a ceiling track, they can easily be drawn open or closed, offering a soft and inviting way to separate spaces. The variety of fabrics available allows for customization in items of colors and textures, enabling you to change the look of your room with minimal effort. For a more modern aesthetic, glass partitions are an excellent choice. Tempered glass can be used in either clear or frosted designs, providing a contemporary look that maintains an open atmosphere while offering sound insulation. This option is practically effective in homes, offices, or studio apartments where light and openness are crucial. Bifold doors are another practical solution allowing for flexible space usage. These doors can be folded to one side, enabling you to completely open up a room or close it off for privacy. Available in various materials, bifold doors can complement the overall decor of your home while providing functionality. Incorporating living plant walls as divider introduce a natural element to your space. Vertically garden not only act as a stunning focal point but also improve air quality and add a refreshing touch in your decor. This option is practically appealing for those looking to bring a bit of nature indoors. Artistic screens made from wood, metal, or acrylic can serve as unique room dividers with intricate cut-out patterns or artistic designs. These screens add character and style while providing separation between spaces. They can be a great conversation starter and an eye-catching addition to your decor. Strategically arranging furniture can also create effective room divisions without the need for physical barriers. For instance, spacing a sofa with its back fixing a dining area can define separate zones within an open concept layout. This approach is formation yet functional, allowing for easy flow between spaces. Folding room dividers offer portability and versatility, made from lightweight materials that can be easily moved and stored when not in use, making them ideal for those who frequently changes their room layout. This flexibility allows for quick adjustment to the space as needed. Lastly, in Lastly, exotic panels can serve as both soundproofing solutions and stylish dividers. These panels can be mounted on walls or used as freestanding options, reducing noise while enhancing the modern aesthetic of your interior. They are particularly useful in homes, offices, or creative spaces where concentration is key. In summary, modern room dividers and partitions come in various forms, each offering unique benefits. When selecting a room divider, consider the size of the space, the primary function you need, and the overall style you wish to achieve. With the right choice, you can create a stylish and a functional living environment that meets your need. And that's all from my side. Thank you for joining us on this journey through modern room divider and partition design ideas. We hope you found inspiration for your home and discovered new ways to enhance your living space. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can never miss an update. Your support means to the world to us, and we can't wait to share more exciting ideas with you in the future. Until next time, happy decorating. Thank you. Bye.